11 Common Causes of Discolored Teeth and How to Whiten Teeth at Home. Tooth discoloration. Are your teeth not as white as they used to be and perhaps not as white as you would like them to be? There is no doubt that Americans are concerned about the color of their teeth if the popularity of teeth whitening products is any indication to go by. Despite the fact that it might make us feel self-conscious, teeth discoloration is extremely common. To help you understand what causes teeth discoloration, here are 11 of the most common causes. These tips will help you maintain a healthy and beautiful smile. Poor oral hygiene. One of the major contributors to tooth discoloration is not brushing and flossing on a daily basis. The bacteria and food particles in your mouth can stick to your teeth if you don't brush and floss regularly. This can cause tooth stains. Using tobacco. Tobacco users have it tough when it comes to oral health and hygiene. In addition to increasing your chances of gum disease, chewing or smoking tobacco will also accelerate your teeth's yellowing. Foods and beverages. Due to their high acidity, coffee, tea, wine, sodas, and some juices can all harm the whiteness of your teeth. It is even possible for healthy foods to stain, including beets, blueberries, cherries, citrus fruits, mulberries, raspberries, and tomatoes. Iron deficiency anemia. The liquid iron supplements prescribed to children suffering from iron deficiency anemia are usually reddish-brown in color. While these supplements can provide children with the iron they need, they can also stain their teeth, leaving them discolored and unsightly. The aging process. The enamel on our teeth slowly wears away as we age. As a result, you can see the next layer of your tooth called dentin. Generally, as people age, their teeth appear yellower because the dentin is yellow in color. Illnesses. The enamel of your teeth may be affected by certain medical conditions, resulting in changes in their color. Medication. Medications such as antihistamines, antidepressants, antipsychotics, and blood pressure medicines can lead to tooth discoloration. Stained teeth can also be caused by exposure to the antibiotics doxycycline and tetracycline during fetal development or before the age of 8. Dental materials. You may notice a gray cast on your teeth after receiving amalgam restorations, especially if the restorations contain silver sulfide. Genetics. People who are born lucky tend to maintain a bright smile and others, not so much. A lot depends on your genetics when it comes to the brightness, thickness, and color of your enamel. Environment. During tooth formation, too much fluoride can cause fluorosis. Fluorosis looks like white spots on teeth caused by either excessive fluoride usage or exposure to excessive fluoride levels in the water. Trauma. If a tooth is chipped or otherwise damaged, its enamel can be damaged, causing discoloration. A child is most likely to suffer from this condition, but people of all ages can also suffer from it. How can teeth be whitened? In order to whiten teeth, there are several treatment options available. The types of whitening treatments vary, and not everyone is a candidate for all of them. Based on your stain type, you can expect your teeth to become several shades lighter. At-home teeth whitening. Drinks and foods that stain should be avoided. We can stain our teeth because of our habits. Teeth whiteners are available over the counter in the form of stick-on strips or tooth-shaped trays. LED teeth whitening kits are also available online to use in the comfort of your own home. Make sure you brush and floss your teeth every day. Even though you should be practicing good dental hygiene anyway, you can improve the appearance of your teeth if your habits usually aren't as good as they should be. For more information, click the link below in the video description. Thanks for watching.